स्टूडेंट्स, स्वागत है आपका डॉक्टर सौरभ सर क्लासेस में। और आज हम लोग सॉल्व कर रहे हैं आइजर एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट सॉल्यूशंस 2025 और इस सीरीज में हम लोग आ चुके हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 में। तो हम लोग को निकालना है, वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द बिहेवियर फर्स्ट ऑफ cos x. So here on the interval 0 cos x is greater than equals to 0 on 0 comma pi by 2. Okay, and cos x is less than 0 on pi by 2 comma pi. So then cos x is cos x on 0 comma pi by 2. Okay, so now cos x is minus cos x on pi by 2 comma pi. So then first we will split the integral. So it's 0 to pi x cos x sin x dx. Okay, sin x dx. So then it's integral 0 to pi by 2 x cos x sin x dx plus pi by 2 to pi x minus cos x and then sin x dx. So that is equals to 0 to pi by 2 x cos x sin x dx minus pi by 2 pi x cos x sin x dx. So let's denote both integrals as I1 is equals to 0 to pi by 2 x cos x sin x dx, and what is I2? It's pi by 2 to pi x cos x sin x dx. Okay, so now I is equals to I1 minus I2. So we'll use the identity sin x cos x. So sin x cos x is equal to half sin 2x. Okay, so both integral becomes I1 is equals to half of 0 to pi by 2x sin 2x dx, and I2 is equals to half of pi by 2 to pi x sin 2x dx. Okay, so now I is equals to half 0 pi by 2 x sin 2x dx minus pi by 2 pi x sin 2x dx. Okay, so we will combine it into a single definite integral. So let's define f of x is equals to x sin 2x. Okay, or I is equals to half 0 to pi x sin 2x and x cos x dx. So we will compute the each, like x sin 2x dx integration by parts. If you compute x sin 2x dx, or u is equals to x and dv is equal to sin 2x dx, or du is equals to dx and v is equal to minus half cos 2x. So it's minus half x cos x plus half cos 2x dx. Okay, so it's minus half x cos 2x plus 1 by 4 sin 2x plus c. So we'll compute the definite integrals then. So I1 is equals to half minus half x cos x plus 1 by 4 sine 2x pi by 2 0, and at x is equal to pi by 2 minus half pi by 2 cos pi plus 1 by 4 sine pi. So that's minus pi by 4 multiplied by minus 1 plus 0, that's pi by 4. That is at x equal to pi by 2. Now we will do for at x equal to 0. So then I1 will be half multiplied by pi by 4. It will be pi by 8. Similarly, I2 will be half minus half x cos 2x plus 1 by 4 pi by 2 to pi, and at x equal to pi, half pi cos 2 pi plus 1 by 4 sine 2 pi. That's minus half pi plus 0, so that's minus. Again at x equals to pi by 2, that also we have to find out. Same as before, like pi by 4. Okay, so at pi by 2 it is, we'll put I2 is equals to half minus pi by 2 minus pi by 4, or half minus 3 pi by 4. So that's minus 3 pi by 8. So then if we combine, I is equal to I1 minus I2. So it is pi by 8 minus 3 pi by 8. So that is 4 pi by 8 or pi by 2. So my correct option is option A.